Dang. Watch, he's in front. Call to him, Tyler. He's checking the decoys. Come. I wish you'd take a line. It's a decoy, dummy. Come here. Come. Son, if you hold on, I'll get you in the boat. There you go. Which one of y'all shot him?
I don't know.
It wasn't me.
Colin.
Where? Well, just on that. Take a dang.
I believe it's strictly a roost.
Oof. Watch him, watch him, watch him. I got him.
Get him.
Yeah. He's up in them trees.
From.
I saw that big duck right there and shot him with something big.
Where'd that one go down at?
In them trees right in there. Ain't that a shame? We bring a dog and we shooting ducks and he don't see him, or they go in the freaking tree somewhere. I did too. I'm gonna sit down for a minute. Good Lord.
We need about 4 or 5 of these schools like that standing right in front of you.
Heck yeah. There you go. Ducks coming back. We all got to turn them one way. I shot about 2 shots, and the other one, my gun was pointing right there. So,
Shot once. I wouldn't Tyler do little.
yeah. I started to move my gun in my right hand so I could catch myself on my left.
I shot once. I wasn't even shooting those ducks.
I shot amongst them, but I was a little behind them. Heck, I was thinking they was all about to start dropping. Well, y'all let me know when.
It's gonna be hard duck to find.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and do it. Go ahead and find all these decoys.
There's some down there. There's 2 right here. Okay. grab your duck and then we'll come back and grab the decoys. This month. What's that, a drake? I can't see him. What's he got? 4 bands on him? Honey, 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 honey. Yeah. They are. 6. The other 2's on the other side of this. Watch his gun, Tyler. Watch his gun. Oh, yeah, that might be it right there. I don't know. There's something. Watch it be a stick, but. Is that it right in there?
You're still alive.
How low did you go?
Beep.
That's all.
Honey dead. Honey.
Other way, dude.
Honey.
Holly.
Honey. Right there. Left. Back. Back. Back.
Let him make his round.
Dead. Good boy, Bubba. Come. Come. Good boy. That's a good boy. Come here, bub. I gotta get you in this boat. Come here. Come. Come. Come here. That's a good boy. I gotta get you a ladder, don't I? Good boy. Dang. I think I shot her good last time.
Yeah.
She a little DEAD dead. That's the first hen I've shot. See, Tyler, I told you I was a good hunter. I never shot hens. Until they get close enough I actually hit one. All them guys on Facebook always saying, oh, I don't shoot hens, I only shoot drakes. You know, that's a real conservationist there. Yeah. I ain't shot a hen yet because I just ain't had the chance. Alright, where we going? Good boy, Hunt. Come. Big group of them. Come here, Bubba. Come. Dead. Pick up that bird. Come. Hold. Hold.
Oh, well,
I guess now is a good time as any. But anyways, we wound up shooting a total of 3 ducks. I've got 1. Colin got 1, and we don't know who got the other. But I think I missed on camera as far as shooting that last duck. I think I've got Huntley retrieving it though. But